Hi, everyone. It is Monday, November 25th. So, I'm not going to say anymore. You know what that all means. And we are in our last unit. And it's amazing that the time has gone so fast. But here we are. So, the last unit for this semester. And it will all finish on December the 11th. So, we do have some time in there. And we need to read chapter 10, which is establishing a professional portfolio. Of course, we're talking about public relations, but while we're talking about portfolio, let's be thinking, because you need your portfolio to graduate. What have you got already that you're going to put in your portfolio when you complete your project for this class? That will be a perfect piece to put in your portfolio, and thinking of all the things that make sense for a public relations portfolio as well. So for the project itself, that's where we are. So you did part one way back the first part of the semester. That was where you created your organization. And now you're going to create the writing pieces to promote that organization. So follow the rubrics. They're at the bottom of the assignment. And make sure you include all parts. So include part one and then each one of your pieces that you're adding to it. And there's a rubric for each piece, and there's a rubric for the overall project. So make sure you follow those rubrics, and you shouldn't have any issues, I don't think. And just wanted to mention too your discussions, the media do's and don'ts, and the public relations. They were very well done, and you guys have such great ideas and good comments, and find some great resources in all of your discussions all the way through the semester. So hats off to you, because I really enjoy reading the discussions, and that's what brings our class together. And I think we have a pretty cohesive class here. So the final piece after the project, which is due December the 8th, I should say that. So it's due December 8th. Don't wait, because you need to create several pieces before you created one piece as an assignment. Now you've got to create those pieces to have them all done by December the 8th. The good thing is you've already done some of them, so maybe that's what you'll use, depending on what you decide to use. If you use a press release, or if you use a story. A feature story is a great way to feature your new organization. And maybe you're going to use an event. You're going to have an open house, welcome everybody in, those types of things. And then once that assignment is in on December the 8th, you have one last thing to do, and that is a reflection of the course, and that is due December the 11th. And that is it. So that's where we are. We'll talk more about the project again next week, because that will be your final week to put it together. But if you have any questions, please reach out. Join me in office hours. Whatever works for you, we can make it work. And if there's a time that isn't working that's scheduled, you know what? We can schedule a different time. Be happy to do that. So have a great week, and I'll talk to you next Monday.